Yesterday in the morning analysis, we saw a good drop across US30 and US100, taking it below 10,950 and 32,500 levels. And I told you very specifically that a sharper drop leads to a sharper rise. And see, everything is recovered. Now, what to expect today? Can we expect a further rise and we can remain bullish, or is it going to drop? And if yes, which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First NASDAQ 100, second Dow Jones, and yes, just stick to the levels. If it's a buy entry, buy it. If it's a sell entry, just sell it and stick to the levels. Always trade with the stop loss and the trailing stop loss. Remember that we have an entire day left ahead against of us. It can show you good swings. It can go to buy entry and it can go to sell entry as well. And hence you have to trade with the stop losses there. Keep booking profits. Trade accordingly. Let's start. First NASDAQ 100, followed with Dow Jones. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's have a look. Now, if you look at the hourly charts here, on the hourly charts, see first, every candle has a meaning here. And if you look at the hourly charts, it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. Now, the highs are little far away at 11,200. Yesterday also I told you 11,200, 300, 400 only and only if NASDAQ 100 breaks beyond these levels, you can expect a further rise. So first it has to break past 200, then 300 and then 400 levels. Beyond that, it should be considered a bit of bullish. Now look at the hourly charts here. You can find out highs and lows are very well connected. So once you see it trading below this zone at 10,11,070, rather I will say 11,050, you can sell here at 11,050 only and expect it to drop till the time it trades between 11,050 and 11,160, or I will say 11,150. Do not trade NASDAQ 100 for these 100 points. This is very clear because beyond 11,150 you can expect it to hit 11,200, 300 and 400 levels. Now let's have a further detail look. Here it is crossing over for a bullish move. On the hourly charts, stochastic is overbought and hence a little drop can be expected. Directional movement is bullish, looking upwards. The stochastic comfortable. It was oversold earlier. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, likewise, see, firstly, look at these candles. It has certainly come out of the consolidation zone. Now you can see these candles, lower highs, higher lows, bottom support there at 11,050. This is third green candle and now it is trying to retrace. Possibly once it breaks out beyond 11,160 levels, 170 levels, you can definitely expect that 11,200 will be seen, which is a very good resistance, and then 11,300. This is the next resistance zone. Till the time you have to remain cautious. The directional movement is moderately bearish. It is trying to cross over. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It is looking upwards. The RSI has also come out of the oversold zone and trading comfortable. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, see, first thing is it has created the base here at 11,050, but also it has come out of this consolidation zone. But look at the candle size, the previous candle and this candle. The body size is certainly diminished here, and hence once it trades beyond 11,160, certainly you can expect that we may see 11,200, but wait for it to break past. Those who want to take a safe entry, wait for it to break past 11,200 for it to confirm the bullish momentum. On the downside, the sell entry is only below 11,050. That is very, very clear. Directional movement here is bearish. It is trying to converge. Stochastic has come back to an extremely overbought levels and hence a little bit of drop or consolidation can be expected. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The stochastic is flat and looking upwards with a moderately bullish bias. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, see these candles here, higher lows, this candles, lower highs, and this is the breakout here. It is potentially looking forward to 11,200, and beyond that, certainly more bullish momentum can be seen. Similar observation here. Directional movement here is bearish, trying to converge. The stochastic is near to overbought levels. The MACD has crossed over and this is divergent, this is bullish, this is crossover is happening at a bottom here, and possibility for it to sustain the bullish momentum from here exists. Why? Because this crossover is happening at a bottom here, and when it continues from here, it can possibly give you bullish momentum for a little while. RSI is oversold and looking upwards. Now look at the daily chart. If you look at the daily charts, look at the previous candle with a sharp tail and a very small body. It indicates that the bears are not trying to take the charge here and bulls have definitely taken over from here. Second, it was trading outside Bollinger Bands and hence got a pullback. Now third, see the previous few candles when we saw, and now if you look at this closely, you will find lower lows, higher highs, the pivot somewhere here at 11,100 levels. So beyond that, certainly 11,400 levels can be the highs. And also look at this. This is trying to trade in this. So I will be definitely looking forward to it. Forward for it to break past 11,200 first. Then you can definitely expect 11,300 and 400 at the major resistance zone. And beyond that, it is going to fly high. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic on the daily charts is extremely oversold. Now looking upwards today, possibly we may see it trading in green. The MACD is also extremely divergent and bearish. Probability from here to converge, exist, and the RSI is trading near to bottom, and it can look upwards from today onwards. And hence, once it breaks past 11,200, you can beyond 11,200 certainly you can remain long. The stop losses are going to be a little bit far at 11,050, and beyond that, beyond 11,200, the target is going to be 11,280,300 zone first target, then 11,385, 11,400 as the next target zone. Beyond that, it is going to stay bullish. On the downside, sell at 11,050, expect 10,970, 10,940, 10,920, 880. Till 880, it has got very strong support, and only if it breaks past 10,880, it is going to crash further. Hence, take your positions accordingly between 11,050, 11,200 for this 150 points. Rather, I will recommend you not to trade. Take your positions accordingly. Now, let's have a look at Dow Jones. US30 on the early charts, big bullish candle. Then, certainly the slope has changed. Once it breaks past this zone at 33,200, then only one can expect that further bullish momentum might take it for 33,300 and then 33,400. Remember, 33,400 and 500 is a very strong support zone. This was the previous support zone. Now it may try to achieve these levels before it looks forward to any further drop. This is my expectation. Also look at this. On the hourly charts, it has come out of this bearish channel looking upwards here. Possibility for it to trade bullish edges. Hence, once it trades beyond 33,100, you can stay long for 33,200, which is definitely a very strong resistance, and then 33,250, 33,400 levels to be seen. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought, hence a little bit of consolidation or drop can be expected. MACD divergent and bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is also trading near to the highs. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts also similar is the observation, trading near to the top of the Bollinger Bands. Look at the highs there. It is willing to give a breakout. Once it trades beyond 33,100, you can stay long for 33,200, 300, 400 levels, and beyond that further highs can be seen. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is extremely overbought and hence a little bit of drop can be expected. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It is looking upwards. The RSI is trading near to the highs. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, see certainly the support there at 32,800 is very strong. With that as support, it is trying to rise. And if you look at the candle, see one bullish candle and a smaller body size indicating that the bulls are trying to cool down a bit, and hence a little sell entry can be taken if it trades beyond 32,950 levels. Beyond 32,950, still expect 32,900 and 32,800 as the major support, and only if it breaks below 32,800, further drop can be expected. Till the time it trades above 32,800, do not trade. Directional movement bearish, stochastic overbought, and hence a little drop can be expected. The MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is looking upwards. So this analysis is applicable till the time we come up with our next analysis for US cash session. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, two higher lows are seen, and certainly this time the candle is refraining it for it to take it further highs. Hence, only buy entry at 33,100 levels, only sell entry at 32,950 levels, and below that still till 32,800 you have to remain cautious. It can bounce back any point of time. Directional movement bearish trying to converge. Stochastic overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish on the 4-hour charts, and this is still looking bullish here. RSI is also sloping upwards or trading with a positive slope. Now look at the daily charts and the last two candles, lower highs, lower lows. It is come out of this channel and it is trying to trade bullish. Once it breaks past 33,100, my next target is going to be 33,200, 250, and then 33,400. 400 levels can be seen, which is definitely an achievable target. If not today, possibly by tomorrow we may see 33,400 levels, and beyond this zone at 33,400. Remember, this is a very strong resistance zone. If it trades above 33,400, one can stay long further for 34,000 in this month itself. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic was oversold, now looking upwards, trying to trade bullish. The MACD is bearish and trying to converge here. The RSI is also comfortable considering this. Sell at 32,950, buy at 33,100. For this 150 points, do not trade Dow Jones. And once it trades below 32,950, still 32,900 and 32,800. Till 32,800, it can reverse any point of time, and hence you have to trade with a trailing stop loss on the downside. On the upside, 33,400 is definitely a very strong resistance zone. Previously, it was a very strong support zone. Now it is going to be a very strong resistance zone. Once it trades about 33,400, further bullishness can be expected. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. And do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.